roots run deep, our spirits so strong. A heritage of pride where we belong.
Culture like rivers, flowing with time. A melody of values, a rhythm sublime.
Some enchanting,
Some mesmerizing,
some make you laconic.
some forcing you to be verbose.
The procession of thoughts go on. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The galaxy of intellectuals
Invited guests
and our dear parents.
on this auspicious and delightful morning of the annual cultural extravaganza,
We, on behalf of the management,
principal,
staff,
and students,
welcome you all to this fiesta of patriotism
and growth of national integration
at the intellectual firmament of Delhi International School, Hoshiarpur.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, how unique this morning is.
Indeed, it is wonderful, and the energy tells truly an unforgettable story.
Words are those petals that are sprinkled with fragrance to invite one and all with warm greetings.
Not merely words, but our heartfelt feelings filled with emotions add flavor to welcome you all.
Our excellence in every field
On every occasion,
and in every walk of our life is being exemplified for your good selves. The
scintillating performance of Delhi International School, with much pride and honor, present to you on this annual festival.
to petals.
It is a day where every performance is a story.
Every smile a moment of joy.
and every individual contributes to the magic of this day.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is the time of the year again when we get to showcase the brilliance of our students.
And the essence of our school's values.
This day is not just a day of celebration, but it is a day of reflection of our dreams.
Dedication.
And determination that light up the entire school.
Today, we gather to celebrate milestones,
Applaud achievements,
And embrace the vibrant energy of our school community.
So let us today make this morning an unforgettable one.
I can assure you that this program will be vibrant and an exciting event, and it will make wonderful memories for all of us.
First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our presiding officer, Sri Ratnesh Kumar, the commandant of STC BSF Khadka. Your commitment and dedication inspire us. He is an ideal thinker, fair-minded in evaluation, and prudent in making judgments. And it is an honor for us to have you among us in this morning, dear sir. We extend a warm welcome to this function of our school. Let's have a round of applause for sir.
we roll down a carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries, distinguished guests and members of management whose unwavering support and guidance have been pivotal in shaping our institution.
Dear parents, teachers, and our well-wishers, your encouragement and involvement add immense value to this celebration, and we are truly grateful for your presence here today.
On behalf of the entire school family, I welcome you all once again to this celebration of talents, culture, and unity.
We are confident that this morning ahead will leave you inspired and proud of the efforts of our students and teachers.
Thank you for joining us in making this event a grand success.
Sit back.
Relax.
Enjoy.
The fiesta of events presented by the students of Delhi International School, Hoshiarpur.
Wisdom and positivity. It represents the triumph of good over evil and the dispelling of darkness with the radiance of learning and truth. To mark the auspicious beginning of the annual day celebration, now I would like to call our Honorable Presiding Officer, the members of the management and Principal Sir to come on stage for the lighting of the lamp.
जगत सर्जक प्रलय करता शिव
over here. Before we begin today's auspicious event, let us invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, art and knowledge.
Saraswati Vandana is a sacred prayer that seeks a divine guidance to enlighten our minds and remove the darkness of ignorance.
As we dedicate this offering of devotion and gratitude, let us open our hearts to her blessings and embark on this journey with purity and grace.
So please join us as we present Saraswati Vandana.
Car numbers PV07BS 7271. Please अपनी गाड़ी वहाँ से हटा लीजिए.
उठ के रब से पहले मैं तेरा नाम लूं, रखूं तुझे पलकों तले, पूजा करूं तेरी, तेरे सिवा तू ही बता क्या जिंदगी मेरी, मैं तो तेरे सपनों के रंग में ढला, तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता के आंचल में पला, ओ मेरी माँ मैं तेरा लाल,
We need to encourage our students. They are too small. I think they deserve a big round of applause from all of us.
A school's success is deeply rooted in the vision, dedication, and leadership of a great principal.
It is under his guidance that students and teachers thrive and milestones are achieved.
It is my privilege and honor to welcome our respected principal sir to the stage to address the gathering and present the school report.
So please welcome our principal sir, Mr. G. Maria John, with a big round of applause.
Honorable Presiding Officer of the day, Shri Ratnesh Kumar, the Commandant of BSF Khadka, worthy members of the management, Shri Anush Tola, Shri Amit Tola, Srimadi Anu Tola, and Srimadi Ritu Tola, esteemed guests, worthy parents and well-wishers, teachers and my loving students, good morning to all. Our presiding officer, Mr. Ratnesh Kumar, joined the Border Security Force as an assistant commandant in July 1993. After undergoing rigorous basic training in the Indian Army, he took charge as the company commandant in the 17th Corps, Jalalabad, Punjab. Sir has shown efficient leadership and devotion to his duty in almost all inaccessible areas of Kashmir, Jammu, Punjab, Gujarat, North and South Bengal frontier, and northeastern region. In recognition to his ability to work efficiently with honesty and devotion during his service, Sir has been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service in the year 2023. Let's give a huge round of applause. Also in recognition of the spirit of service, loyalty, Sir has been awarded with the Director General Commandment Roll 4 times and Inspector General Commendation Card 6 times. Currently, our presiding officer is the commandant of the BSF Training Center at Khadka. We, the students, staff, management of Delhi International School, are extremely happy to have you as our presiding officer for this function. We welcome you once again on behalf of the DAS family and wish that you will enjoy the performance of our dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this annual function of Delhi International School, Hoshiarpur. This day is an opportunity for us to celebrate the outstanding accomplishments of our students, the dedication of our teachers, and the unwavering support of our parents. Together, we have built the foundation of excellence, and today we reflect on the many milestones we have achieved this year. I'd like to present to you the annual report of 2024-25. Academic excellence. At Delhi International School, academic excellence is the cornerstone of our achievements. This year too, our students have performed exceptionally well in the CBSE board exams. In class 10th, we achieved 100% results, pass result Jolindrian George emerged as the bright achiever and topped the school, followed by Mehakpreet Kaur and Jasmine Kaur Juti. In class 12th too, we have achieved a 100% result. Our students demonstrated excellence with Tamanna Bharadwaj being the top scorer in commerce and Madhav Banod topping in science. We also celebrate the success of our students in various academic competitions. Jolindrian from class 10 scored a position among the top 100 students of CBSE Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge in 2023, while others excelled in prestigious examinations such as NSEJS 2023 and national and international level Olympiads. Sports achievements. Our students have excelled on the sports field, bringing pride and glory to our school. International level, Mandan Diman, a grade 8 student, won gold in prestigious Budokan Cup Karate tournament held in Dubai, competing against 700 participants from countries like England, Australia and Dubai. Let's give a huge round of applause. National level achievements. Lakshay Sharma from grade 5 secured bronze in the national level sub-junior Kuraksh Championship in 2024-25 and also performed exceptionally in the CBSE North Zone Judo Championship, winning another bronze medal. Our kickboxing team brought home 20 medals at the district level, including 2 gold, 4 silver and 14 bronze. State level championship. In the 21st Punjab State Kung Fu Wushu Championship, our athletes bagged 6 gold, 6 silver and 1 bronze. Also, Dingar Sharma of grade 6 participated in the State Yoga Championship, winning the gold medal. Let's give a huge round of applause for all our athletes and sports persons. CBSE Cluster Games. Our Kho team, under 14 girls team won bronze, while other teams showed exceptional skill and teamwork in various categories. Zonal and district achievements. Our volleyball, Kho, basketball and badminton teams secured first position in their respective categories in zonal level. Kheda Madan Punjab Diya saw stellar performances with a gold in javelin throw by Kunal Bhatia and several other medals across athletics, Kho and kickboxing. Cultural and artistic achievements. Our students also excelled in cultural events, showcasing their talents and creativity. Hoshiarpur Sahodya competitions. Folk dance junior team secured first position while senior team claimed second position. Our students achieved first position in landscape and poster making competition in both junior and senior categories. Bhangra competitions. At the Cultural Yuvak Festival at Lovely Professional University, our team won second position in solo and duet categories and third position in group performance. Art and creativity. Our students secured top positions in Rangoli competitions and earned award of honor in Virsa Hoshiarpur for their outstanding performance. Community engagement and holistic development. This year we also focused on building social responsibility and enhancing the skills of our students. As part of the No Drugs campaign, our students and teachers actively participated in marathons and awareness events to promote a healthier society. The school conducted a capacity building program on New Education Policy 2020, empowering our teachers to embrace modern educational methods and technology in teaching. School infrastructure and facilities. At Delhi International School, we believe that world-class infrastructure and facilities are crucial to the holistic development of our students. Some of the highlights of our school campus include shooting range, a modern international level shooting range to promote precision sports, fully air-conditioned campus, ensuring comfort for students and staff throughout the year. All the classrooms and the campus are provided with air conditioners. New multi-purpose halls, state-of-the-art facility under construction to host various indoor as well as outdoor events and activities are underway. NCC facilities. The school proudly offers National Cadets Corps training to instill discipline, leadership, and a sense of responsibility in students. GPS-enabled buses, safe and secure transportation for students with real-time tracking. Sports facilities, dedicated coaches for training facilities for sports like taekwondo, cricket, football, athletics, kho-kho, judo, kickboxing, basketball, volleyball, badminton, and chess. Smart classes. Technology-enabled classrooms make learning interactive and engaging. CCTV secured campus. Every classroom is monitored to ensure safety and discipline of the students. Field trips and excursions. We believe in holistic development and ensuring that learning extends beyond the classroom. This year, the school organized the following activities for the students. Wonderland trip. Our students enjoyed a thrilling trip to Wonderland for fun and recreation, a memorable experience for all. In-house picnic, school picnic and pool party. For our kindergarten to grade 5 students, we organized a delightful one-day in-house picnic and pool party filled with fun, games and bonding activities. Industrial visit for senior students. Our senior students visited GNA Axles Limited and GNA University Fagwada as part of their career guidance program, helping them understand industrial processes and explore future opportunities. Also, our students visited the BSF camp to witness the outgoing parade of the BSF passing out parade of the students. So I thank the commandant for letting us to witness that event. Let's give a huge round of applause for the BSF for supporting our students and allowing the students to be part of that. In-house competition and academic excellence and cultural activities. It's an honor to present the culmination of our inter-house competition, a celebration of talent, teamwork, and determination. The scoreboard reflects the vibrant spirit of our 4 houses: discipline, dedication, devotion, and determination. These competitions taught us valuable lessons, embracing victory and defeat, collaboration, and the power of persistence. Each house has its own strength, and together they all form the heartbeat of DIS. Gratitude and the vision for the future. None of these achievements would have been possible without the unwavering dedication of our teachers, the encouragement of our parents, and the hard work of our students. To each and every one of you, I extend my deepest gratitude. At Delhi International School, we believe in fostering a culture of excellence where every child has the opportunity to explore their potential and shine in their chosen field. Our journey does not end here. We aim to reach even greater height, nurturing future leaders, athletes, and change makers. As I conclude, I would like to congratulate all our students, teachers, parents, and our management for making this year a grand success. Let us carry forward this momentum of excellence to continue to make our school proud. Thank you all for being here this morning. Let us enjoy the performances and celebrate this beautiful journey together. May DIS grow, flourish, and bear abundant fruits in the years to come. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Everyone, and welcome to our jungle safari. Today we all are going on a wild adventures. Are you ready to come and meet some amazing animals who call the jungle their home? The tall and green trees, the mighty lion, the playful monkeys, and dancing peacocks. We have got them all. So fasten your seatbelt and take a ride full of music and dance.
छप जाना रे छन भर को
civilization forgot. It's the underground. Welcome to the jungle.
Parents, please.
Jungle.
अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं, मॉल्स हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स हैं। हा 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 हा। अब मैं ये सब ट्री कट करके यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.